So we got a 2009 Ford Focus SE. Gonna do the headlight removal. So all you need is a 10 mil, and we'll take out this bolt here, this one here, and there's one under here. So I'll have to pop these off. And I'll be right back. Okay, so I've removed this one, and now I'm going to remove these here. You're probably going to need a screwdriver, maybe a pliers, and just pop this up here. Now I'll just finish taking off that one and this one here, and I'll take off this grill. Okay, remove these plastic clips here. Now you just pull back on this. It should come off fairly easy, but see, there's a little clip there. So I'll finish removing that screw and we'll take the light out. Okay, so I removed the headlight and I broke a piece off. Hopefully that doesn't affect it, but I guess we'll find out. Then you want to unhook your lights. So we'll unhook this clip here and unhook this light. That one will twist out, so, or that one, either. Okay, so marker light here, just twist that, comes out. You're gonna hook this one and your other light, this one here. Just thought I'd show the difference. This is my old one. I cleaned it up first. Here's my other one, pretty dirty. Here's the one I got at a junkyard. About 38 bucks. Cleaned it up. Okay, everything's hooked back up. Before I install it, I'm just going to make sure that I have light. And we have light. Okay, so it's in the right spot. Just might have to adjust it here a little bit. Oh, that's gonna fit perfect. So I'll just add the screws back in and I'll work on the next one. Okay, it's in there. There's the old one. Now we'll work on this one. forgot to pause the video, but anyway, 1, 2, 3. Should just pop up. There's probably a way to do this, but okay, I got it. I didn't break it this time. Okay, so I unhooked everything. Okay, so I'm gonna have to swap this light bulb out from the new one and put my old one in because it's a different brand. So you just it's in there like this. You just twist it, pull it out. I already put that one back in. So. Okay, making sure we got light. Okay, so we have the light in, both of them. Yeah, we'll just put the grill back on. Shouldn't be that hard. Got your fork, push tab, clip thingamajiggers. Yeah, that's the bottom there. Well, let's see how that goes. Okay, so you just line these up here. Sort of. And should just be push it in and ready to go. So it's on. I'll just put these back in. Pretty easy. Oh yeah, shoot. Just gotta make sure this is up a little bit. So this fits in that little hole there. Okay. It's in there. And we'll just go a little. Just like that. And it's just that simple. All the lights work and headlights are in. I did clean them up. Used some Windex, some spray nine. Got that all cleaned up, and then I used some Yoff spray with DEET. It's a white bottle, not the spray can off, but it smells good anyway. And then I just wiped it on, and turned out pretty good. That's it for this video. So this is a 2009 Ford SE. It's about 139,000 kilometers. Okay, thank you.